All right, guys, we're at the point now where we have the video down in our downloads and just walk you through what we want this to look like. I'm going to put it up on your YouTube channel. Make sure you're signed into the right channel and you can see it up in the corner. And then you'll just click this little camera and then upload video. And this is really a pretty easy step. Now down in your downloads here, you'll be able to just pull it open. This is my video of the video that I talked about before. And you just drag it in there. This is a short one, so it should go pretty quickly. And then we'll just go teacher video upload tutorial. Okay, teacher video upload tutorial. And then I just hit next. Yes, it's made for kids. And then we'll go next again. We'll make it public so everybody can see it. All they'll need is that link. And then it just gets saved in here. And then as you can see when you're going, it says the video is published. And again, that's not a surprise because it is a really short one. We're not going to share the link right now. You can always get that link. And now here's this video. So let's check it out here. Okay, and this is one where you can put in a description. You can kind of do whatever you want to with it. Let's just select the playlist, teacher tutorials, and then save it in there. And then if I go back out to my YouTube channel, let me just go to youtube.com again. And this is probably the long way to do it, but that's the way I do it, and I know that it works. So I'm sure there's a lot better ways to skin this cat. You look at your playlists. I just have a teacher tutorial playlist here, and then this would be where we have it. It may be still uploading right now too. Look at my videos. Teacher video tutorial, upload, save the playlist. Apparently I didn't have it saved correctly. Okay, that's in there. Look at my teacher tutorial playlist. Teacher video upload tutorial. And then we'll get to see this in all its glory.
Okay, the purpose of this, guys,
video within a video. There you go. Now, all you need to do with this to add it to your presentation, or any presentation for that matter, is just right-click on it and copy the URL. Okay. And then we go Screencastify tutorial. So let me just pick a new slide and stick this thing in there so you can kind of see what it looks like. I just go to Insert, and I go to Video. Let's just go to URL. Copy and paste that one in. And this is really all there is to it. So now, when we go back to our honors banquet deal, this will just be in there.
Okay, the purpose of,
and I'll be able to record, everything live. So it will just flow. We'll flow through the thing. We'll watch all the presentations. It should be pretty slick. And if you have any trouble, just let me know, and I can help you out, or we can go onto a Zoom deal or something, and we can kind of walk you through it. Because the idea is this is as simple and as pain-free as possible. So again, this is how you upload that video tutorial. Like I said, just give it a shot, follow the steps we have here for you, and I think it'll get you to where you need to go.